In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to change your primary email address in Zoho Invoice so you can keep your account up to date. First, log into your Zoho Invoice account and go to Settings in the top right corner. From there, open Organization Profile. This is where you'll find your current primary contact email. Next, look for the small gear icon beside the contact section. Click it, then choose Add New Sender. Enter your new email address along with the name you want to display and click Save. Zoho will then send a verification email to the new address. Open your inbox, click the link in that email, and your new contact will be verified. Now head back to your organization profile and select Mark as primary contact. This sets the new email as the default for sending invoices. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoho Invoice email. Quick, easy, and secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.